The commercial trial participation needs major expansion where the opportunity lies for primary care as well as GP practices. So where does the primary care as well as the GP practices fit into this space? How can we contribute to the research and the data to inform future healthcare for our generations to come? The good news is that primary care and GP practices are where most people are seen, where long-term relationships develop, and where real-world health problems first appear and present. Many trials need real-world patient populations, not only from the hospitals. GP practices can support inclusive recruitment. Patients trust their GP practices more than an unfamiliar research site or a hospital. Primary care can answer practical questions that matter to everyday care. Primary care holds patients' data and can follow the whole patient journey through. GP practices have patient lists. They can run the search on their database and find the exclusion and inclusion criteria easily. They have patient records. They have long-term relationships with the patients as well as community presence. GP practices can act as patient referral sites or patient identification centers called PICs, or can also deliver the clinical trials. Research brings professional development, better opportunities for the staff members as well as the patients registered with that practice. GP practices who are research active and delivering clinical trials can benefit from the income generated through delivering those clinical trials, which they can invest back to strengthen their research infrastructure and help advance medical science for future generations. GPs and the healthcare professionals within GP practices can become the principal investigators and sub-investigators who are trusted by their own patients. GPs are ideally placed to deliver research studies in the community. GPs understand complexity, the risks, the benefits, and their patient context. Research can give GPs professional variety and reduces the burnout and stagnation. GPs can bridge the gap between the trial design and the real-world evidence. GPs cannot deliver it on their own. They need the whole research team, the research nurses, the data members, the admin staff, pharmacists, HCAs, care coordinators, and practice managers. It is a combined effort, but is really rewarding because the infrastructure is already there. GP practices and healthcare professionals working in practices are experts in delivering care, such as national vaccine programs, COVID vaccinations, flu vaccinations. They have the ability to deliver care at a very large scale. And if the research is embedded within that care, it becomes really rewarding and meaningful for the practice, the healthcare professionals involved, as well as the patients who are receiving those opportunities from their own GP practices. Research creates developmental opportunities for the whole team. It helps the practice to become attractive for other healthcare professionals who want to work and stay within those practices which offer these services. I hope it is quite clear by now that research benefits everyone, from the patient or the participant who is getting access to the new innovation or treatment, and special attention from their medical staff members, to the healthcare professionals who are delivering that research, learning about the latest innovation in medicine, which is highly rewarding and intellectually stimulating, as well as to the organizations which are delivering clinical trials and creating an opportunity for income generation. In turn, benefiting the whole of the NHS system as well as the country. So please have a think about how you can contribute your knowledge, your expertise, your skills to deliver and accelerate research within your sites, within your practices. And if you have never done research before, this should not stop you from taking your first steps, because I will be bringing lots of information and knowledge around how to start your research journey if you have never done research before, and how can you contribute to your own career development, but also towards the sites and the practices that you're working at who can also benefit from your expertise. That is all for this episode today. I hope you have enjoyed listening and watching to this episode. I will be bringing a lot more content about research trials in primary care in the UK, so please stay tuned. Comment and feedback to let me know what kind of content you want me to bring, so that we can all benefit from this and share the knowledge with each other to accelerate research in primary care in the UK. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next